Hey guys, this is KyLudwig with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you the 2022 Heartland Cyclone, the model number 3713. As you can see on the side over here to your right, there's two slide outs here as well as a dual fuel pump station for your toys and your generator. Speaking of generator, you do have one down here. Let me open this for you. 5500 watt. Real nice. And another thing that I really like about this system is that there's an auto leveling system. So you got that there. And you even have access into the bay or the pass-through storage here from the front. So it's really convenient. You don't have to go all the way around on both sides. You can actually access it from the front too. As you notice, it's obviously fiberglass on the outside here. We got our pass-through storage here, which is quite nice. Okay, like I said, you can access it from the front as well. We got our speakers on the outside. You got two awnings here. They both have LED lights and they cover basically, well, almost the entire rig. This rig does come equipped with ASDO, which is, it essentially keeps your rig from water damage. So it's impervious to mold, mildew, rot, decay, and more importantly, delamination. As you can see, we also got our outdoor kitchen here, yeah? We got our grill, some storage space right there, and even the fridge. This does come with two different entrances, one from the garage and one into the living space. So let's go into the coach. Solid steps with a nice firm handle. Before you even come in here, you can see to the left here that there's some bar stools here. Quite nice. You can just go ahead and put them on out. Just go ahead and take a seat on them. They do fold all the way down. But come on in. To your left here, you can see, or sorry, my left, you can see we got this living area as well. Solid surface countertops, really great quality. Storage on the top and a seating area. You even got your big screen 4K Ultra HD TV that it does swivel as well. And if you go ahead and see to the left here, we got our nice long couch here. People can sleep on it if they want. That's also really cool. Storage on the sides over there. And we just got this big window here so you can look on the outside as you are camping, hanging out. You can even put random pictures up there as well. Going into the kitchen area, we got solid surface countertops as well. Nice consistency throughout the coach. Got our functional sink and removable countertops. Stainless steel sink. And you just got storage all up on the top here. Anything that you would need to put in there. You also got the microwave. Really, really big. 3-burner cooktop as well as an oven on the bottom here. Then you also got these plugs here, which is quite nice. You can put anything you want up here, toaster, Keurig on this side. Make it really your own, yeah? Got more drawers down here with ample storage. And storage on storage. Also got the fridge here. Just came in, so it's still got the wrapper on it as well. So quite nice. This is on the big, huge slide out as well. We're gonna go to the front of the coach and then work backwards. So heading towards the bedroom area, before you even get there, you can even see that our controls are easily accessible right here. Buttons, and it's even got this computer that you can use. It's got your lighting on there and as well as other things. So you can use that as well. Very easy, very user-friendly. As you come on back here, we're gonna go into the bedroom. So you can see we got this queen size mattress here. Beautiful display. Got lighting everywhere. You also got windows on both sides so you can still enjoy the natural light. As well as just some storage space right in there. And on the bottom as well. Then if you come on back here, so you also got access into the bathroom right here. So I'll let you actually get in there. Excuse me. Here, let's go this way. Yeah. Here's the bathroom from this side. Just really quality. Still got that solid surface countertops. Very functional, but also really beautiful as well. So let's go to the back of the coach. Into the garage area. More storage on the top here. And here we are, the place where you'll be most likely, right? Okay, you can see we have our bench up here as well as the bed on the top. I did forget to say that this is equipped with 3 ACs. One in the garage, one in the living space, and in the bedroom. And then if you come on in here, you can look and see that there's a bunk up there. You can use it for storage, or you can put a kid up there, or anything you really want up in that space. What's really cool about this rig too is that you can manipulate the space to make it fit your toys. So right here, typically the bathroom would stick right here, and then you'd close the door. Oh, that's funny. And that would be the bathroom, but if you need more space for the toys, which usually is the case, right? You can just unhook it here. Let me just do this. You can unhook it and even just gain more space just by putting these out all the way here, yeah? You can do your measurements as soon as you get here. Totally fine. Bring your tape measure. We have some too, and we can just make sure all the toys fit as well. You even got a washer and dryer hookup right here on the end, and an electrical outlet on both sides over there. And if you turn around, you also got the nice deck here, okay? It's got the screen door, which is real nice. And the ramp does come down as well, so you can just head your toys up here, or you can just use it as a space to look out when you're hanging out with guests and whatnot. So if you have any questions whatsoever, guys, my name is Kyle. Feel free to ask me, okay? My phone number is 541-799-8794. Thanks for watching, guys.